Hey there, Wyze enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having trouble with your Wyze Lock constantly jamming, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through some simple steps to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our helpful Wyze tips and tricks. Step 1. Check for obstructions. The first thing you'll want to do is check for any obstructions around the door frame or the lock itself. Make sure there are no loose screws, debris, or anything else that might be hindering the smooth operation of the lock. Give the lock a good visual inspection. Sometimes, even small objects or a misalignment can cause jamming issues. Step 2. Lubricate the lock. Now, let's talk about lubrication. Over time, locks can accumulate dust and grime, leading to friction and jamming. Grab a silicone-based lubricant and apply it to the moving parts of the lock. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for lubrication. A well-lubricated lock should operate smoothly. Step 3. Check battery levels. Next up, let's check the battery levels. A low battery can cause the Wyze Lock to struggle. Make sure your batteries are fresh and have enough power to operate the lock smoothly. If the battery is low, replace it with a new one and see if that resolves the jamming issue. Step 4. Reset the Wyze Lock. If you've tried the previous steps and the problem persists, it might be time to perform a factory reset on your Wyze Lock. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to reset your specific model. Just be aware that resetting will erase any custom settings, so be sure to reprogram your lock after the reset. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. These troubleshooting steps should help you fix that annoying jamming issue with your Wyze Lock. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our future videos.